Welcome back to my channel. Today we're embarking on a delicious oven-free adventure by making a super easy vanilla sponge cake. Grab your aprons and let's dive right in. To start, let's gather our ingredients. 1 cup of all-purpose flour, 1 cup of sugar, 4 large eggs, 1/4 cup of milk, 1/4 cup of melted unsalted butter, 1 tablespoon of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and a pinch of salt. That's right, no oven required. Curious? Keep watching to discover my little secret. First, crack the eggs into a mixing bowl. There's something so satisfying about cracking eggs, don't you agree? Using a hand mixer, whisk the eggs slowly, add the sugar for about 5 minutes until they're light and fluffy. The gradual addition helps it dissolve smoothly, giving our cake the perfect texture. As you mix, you'll notice the sugar integrating seamlessly. Now pour in the melted butter and whipped eggs. It might look a little separated initially, but that's perfectly fine. Continue mixing until it turns into a smooth, unified mixture. Don't forget to add that vanilla extract for a lovely aroma. In a separate bowl, sift together the flour, for avoiding lumps, and a pinch of salt. Once sifted, gently fold the dry ingredients into the egg mixture to maintain its airy texture. Grease it well and pour the batter into the pan. Now instead of baking, we'll steam our cake. It's a fun and effective method that's perfect for those without an oven. To steam, fill a large pan with about an inch of water and bring it to low boil. Place a rack inside the pan and cover with a lid, trapping the steam inside. Steam the cake for about 30-35 minutes, checking occasionally to ensure there's enough water. You'll know it's done when a skewer inserted into the center comes out serving. This method yields a moist, spongy cake that's just as delightful. Enjoy your homemade vanilla sponge cake and relish the compliments that are sure to follow.